Hello guys, Pew the Red is back, and punch that like button, punch that subscribe button if you want to see more gaming as me and more stuff like this. Guys, today this video we're gonna do a songs about the songs I like. All right, I'm gonna put this one. All right, so let's do
Jones's Jukebox live on KROQ right now for the first time ever anywhere on this football that's called planet Earth. There's a brand new song by the Arctic Monkeys. It's called Are You Mine? Take it away, honey. I'm up a bit on the string, Tracy Island, time traveling diamond, could have shaped heartaches that come to find you for in some velvet morning. Years too late, she's a silver lining, Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind, when she's not right there beside me, I go crazy, 'cause here isn't where I wanna be. And satisfaction feels like a distant memory. I need the deep end, keep imagining meeting wished away. Entire lifetimes unfair, we're not someone misbehaving for days. Great escape, lost track of time and space. She's a silver lining, climbing on my desire, and I go crazy, 'cause here isn't where I wanna be. And satisfaction feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself. All I wanna ever say is, are you mine? Well, are you mine? Are you mine? Are you She's a silver lining, Lone Ranger riding through an open space. In my mind, when she's not right there beside me, I go crazy, 'cause here isn't where I wanna be. And satisfaction feels like a distant memory, and I can't help myself. All I wanna ever say is, are you mine? Well, are you mine?
Okay guys, that was Are You Mine from Arctic Monkeys. If you want to see more music like this or any music you want to put on, I'll do it for you guys. All right, see you guys later. Remember, punch that like button and punch that subscribe button if you want to see more gaming. And see you guys later. Peace out.